Okay, I'm starting out my video today by reading Revelation chapter 21 and verse 5, which says, "And he that sat upon the throne said, Behold, I make all things new. And he said unto me, Write, for these words are true and faithful." Okay, so that's Revelation 21:5. And first, we're going to look at the word new. Now, if you take each letter and you turn it to the number that it can make, like N, if you turn it sideways, will be a 2. E, if you turn it that way, will be a 3. And a W, if you turn it this way, will be a 3. So you get 233. And if you watch my videos, I talk about pi. And pi equals 69 in Hebrew gematria. And pi represents time. So if you do this, 23 times 3, you're going to get 69. So that's pi. And then if you do it backwards, 3 times 32, it's 96. So it's pi backwards. And I talk about how that Jesus will bring heaven and earth together, time and anti-time, heaven being anti-time, earth being of time. He's going to bring the two together, make a way out. So this is going to have something to do with how things are going to become new, because time won't be as we live in now. We know that God lives in the now. He lives outside time. He's not confined by time. Okay, so we're going to see this in the numbers to the scripture. Okay, so if you take Revelation, that equals 121. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. 21, 2 plus 1 is 3. Then you got your 5, so you get 435. And if you add that to its reverse, you're going to get 969. So you can see again the 69 and the 96. So it's going to make all things new. New in the sense that we won't be in time like we are now. We'll be living eternally in the now. And if you take just the chapter and verse number, 215, then add 215 to its reverse, 512, you're going to get 727. And what is 727? It's 314 plus 413. We know that pi is represented by 3.14, so it's pi opposite pi. And if you want to do it this way, Revelation equals 121, chapter 21, and verse 5, add those together, you're going to get 147. Add to its reverse, 741, you're going to get 888. And you know that I talked about symmetry. So if we bring all the 8s together and make 1 8, we know that pi is 314, and 3 plus 1 plus 4 is 8. So all time will come together. We're living in the now. And if you do this, you take the 512, put the reverse right next to it, then add all the numbers in the middle, you're going to get 565. If you take the word now, N is the 14th letter, 1 plus 4 is 5. O is the 15th letter, 1 plus 5 is 6. W is the 23rd letter, 2 plus 3 is 5, so you get the numbers of now. And if you want to do this, you take the 3 8s and multiply them together. It's going to equal 512 plus the reverse, 2 and 5 is going to equal 727. Just like up there. The 314 plus 413 is 727. Or you can take all the numbers, 121 Revelation and 215, put it all together, then add it to its reverse. You're going to get 633336. If you divide that number, 633 plus 336, it's 969. So all these numbers are connected to pi and opposite pi about things becoming new and how we're not going to be living in time as we are now. That's what it means by, "Behold, I make all things new." No longer will we be living in time as we are now. Time brings about death and destruction, and that will be no more. All things will be new. Okay, that's my video for today, and I hope everybody has a good day.